It's Kat on camera with Winged Saber Historical Fencing.
Yay!
Now she's going to demonstrate outside face cut with the swing and outside flank cut with the swing with both hands. And yes, we're breaking these apart into separate videos and posting them slowly, because if you're starting on this Arlo journey, you need to be investing the time to get each of these right before you continue. Trust and believe, we have proven this on an Etch-a-Sketch. The people who just look at this and go, this is stupid, and jump ahead, their parry form isn't as good, and they have a much more difficult time fixing it. All right, Kat, go for it.
Okay, what am I doing?
You're going to do an outside face cut with a swing.
All right, so where do I start?
You start with your arms straight out to the side. There you go, and she comes up by bending the elbow. And she comes down around to a horizontal position and then out. Now, as she comes back, she's going to bring that saber as horizontal as possible alongside her face. Right there. Good. Now, Kat is starting to stop a little bit at a 45 because that's an artifact from related but not quite the same training we've done. So I'm going to show you where we should be going. As she bends, you're just going to come all the way around to here. Bang. Not coincidentally. Oh look, parry of 6. Bang. So try making that fluid movement with your elbow staying in place. This is great. The subtle differences between what we've been doing and Arlo formal means that you're modeling some things that beginners are going to do. Notice the elbow remains the center of the action. Try to make your return a little more vertical. You're going around in a horizontal circle. It comes up and then back. There you go. If you do a horizontal circle, you're likely to pop yourself in the back of your mask. The upper arm should move as little as possible. Okay, try flank cut.
So, same dealio?
Same dealio. Comes back the same way and comes over to there and then rises. Good. Flank in this system means she's cutting the outside of the person where their ribs and their waist is. Because they're going to be turned in a side-on fencing stance. If she were to cut on the other side of the fencer, it will be the chest and the stomach that was exposed. If she cuts to the side of the person, it's their flank. It's the part of their torso under their armpit that's available to get hit. Yep. All right, demonstrate on the left, please. Good. Try to keep that upper arm stable so you don't swoop down. You want that cut to be as horizontal as possible while you're practicing it. Notice she's retracting her saber up and over. Now I'm persnickety and a jerk. See also my t-shirt, which she made for me because she's used to putting up with my crap. If you can, you want to come to here, which is where we invented pointy elbow dead droid for the lightsaber people. Okay? So as she comes around, it's really important, if you can, to try to keep this upper arm from waggling up and down too much and to come into this position. That helps you practice, oh hey, my shoulder blade has to move in order to make that happen. All right, do it a couple more times and please demonstrate the flank cut. It'll be rising rather than horizontal. So Kat snarked while we were off camera and reviewing that this was her chance to be awkward on YouTube. But the honest truth is, as Chun Man-ching said, humility is learning the other man's art. You really want to give yourself permission, if you've done something related but dissimilar, to play with how different it is. Make sure you don't dip your tip, Kat. Still needs to be a horizontal cut. Remember, this is a face cut. And that's the flank cut. So make sure that your face and your flank cuts are very distinct in their movements. You don't want a sort of muddy middle ground. Again, these are preparatory exercises that condition your body and train your nervous system to control yourself in such a way that these big molinelli are fast and powerful and accurate, so they can be precise. You'll also see later on where these things carry you through parry positions. Super useful. Good. And try to keep that upper arm stable as you go. All right, so what do you perceive from that?
My wrist is tired.
Your wrist is tired? Oh no, why would your wrist be tired?
I have no idea.
All right, we will review the video and look at the places where you accidentally changed your grip without realizing it. Because if you do that, you are very likely to start using your wrist to make your forearm rotate rather than your upper arm. So pay attention to making sure you keep that grip. As you do this over and over again, the forearm and the wrist should actually relax considerably. That takes a lot of repetitions to get to. And the more the forearm and the wrist relax, the more powerful the cuts become without any additional effort. All right, thanks, Kat. We've got more videos and content coming, so if you liked what you saw and it was useful for you, please stab the like button, /subscribe, and punch the little bell icon so that you're notified immediately when new content comes available. Thanks, and go do the thing.